Meaning of jerky.
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 Jerky. The word jerky can have different meanings depending on the context. As an adjective, jerky refers to something that moves or acts in a sudden, sharp, and uneven way, often described as jolting or twitching. For example, a jerky motion could be a sudden and unpredictable movement of an object or person. As a noun, jerky usually refers to a type of dried meat that has been seasoned and cured. This meat is typically cut into thin strips and can be eaten as a snack or used as a flavoring in recipes. In general, the term jerky implies something that is not smooth, continuous, or uniform, but rather abrupt and irregular in some way.